Commercials are very important. And
Deceptive.
No, they're effective.
Misleading.
I was on the treadmill the other day, and there was a drug commercial.
Yeah.
I swear to you, first of all, it was a 60-second commercial.
Very long for a commercial.
I'm going to have to find out for sure, but it was at least 50 seconds out of 60 seconds. Everything that could go wrong if you take this drug.
Disclaimers and fucking...
Who the fuck would buy that drug?
If you got what they're selling the drug for, maybe.
It was the one with it starts with a C.
Cialis.
Not Cialis,
and all of the side effects are worth it.
Cymbalta?
Head may fall off. All right, whatever.
The arthritis one?
Might be Cymbalta. I was amazed. They didn't have enough time to tell you everything that could go wrong with this drug. It's on TV with the purpose of turning you on to this.
It is
and
really
the first
amazing.
10 seconds is like, oh, I feel great. But then they have to tell you everything that's wrong.
Side effects include,
but
bloody.
And then they basically end the commercial there could be more stuff that happens to you. We just don't know yet.
Ask your doctor if the risk is worth the reward.
Yeah.
Like,
do you have one of these?
Damn, it's like Russian roulette, that shit.
This is a Cymbalta commercial.
Nowhere.
Oh, this is the depression
What
one.
do you feel like seeing?
Cymbalta is also for arthritis.
No one. Depression hurts in so many ways. Sadness,
For instance, arthritis.
loss of interest, anxiety. Cymbalta can help. Cymbalta is a prescription medication that treats many symptoms of depression. Tell your doctor right away if your depression worsens, you have unusual changes in behavior, or thoughts of suicide.
Pause. All right, now it's coming to light again. Okay, because I didn't think we were going to talk about this today. It's all nice, right?
Yeah,
and then they got to ramp it up because they have so much shit they have to tell you that could go wrong that they changed their delivery.
Yeah, their cadence has to...
All right, watch the cadence change.
Yep. If your depression worsens, you have unusual changes in behavior or thoughts of suicide. Antidepressants can increase these in children, teens, and young adults. Cymbalta is not approved for children under 18. People taking MAOIs or thyroidazine or with uncontrolled glaucoma should not take Cymbalta. Taking it with NSAID pain relievers, aspirin, or blood thinners may increase bleeding risk. Severe liver problems, some fatal, were reported. Signs include abdominal pain and yellowing of the skin or eyes. Talk with your doctor about your medicines, including those for migraine, or if you have high fever, confusion, and stiff muscles, to address a possible life-threatening condition. Tell your doctor about alcohol use, liver disease, and before you reduce or stop taking Cymbalta. Dizziness or fainting may occur upon standing. Side effects include nausea, dry mouth, and constipation. Ask your doctor about Cymbalta. Depression hurts. Cymbalta can help.
That's the cure for depression?
Holy shit.
Take cyanide. Side effects may include death. What a terrible commercial.
It gets
That's
panicky,
crazy.
though.
It
gets
does.
panicky.
Very panicky.
I was watching this in the gym the other day. I'm like,
That's a suicide murder pill.
They couldn't do a 30-second commercial.
No.
Dude, they couldn't fit the disclaimer
that's what
in a
I'm
30-second
saying.
commercial.
And that's not even the one I saw.
No, but
is there another one?
A lot of them. There's every fucking prescription medication.
But I love how the cadence changed and then they ramp it up.
Oh, ask your doctor about yellowing of the skin and eyeballs. Your liver could fall out your asshole. Holy shit.
How does that help sell product?
I don't know.
I'd like to enjoy things again.
All right, look.
I feel these aches and pains. The guilt.
All right, get a pen.
Sleep just isn't right.
I couldn't get the show prep together.
I need to focus.
They call me fat.
Cymbalta can help.
I'm gonna see how much could go wrong.
Tell your doctor right away if your depression worsens, you have unusual changes in behavior, or thoughts of suicide. Antidepressants can increase these in children, teens, and young adults. Cymbalta is not approved for children under 18. People taking MAOIs or thyroidazine or with uncontrolled glaucoma should not take Cymbalta. Taking it with NSAID pain relievers, aspirin, or blood thinners may increase bleeding risk. Severe liver problems, some fatal, were reported. Signs include abdominal pain and yellowing of the skin or eyes. Talk with your doctor about your medicines, including those for migraine, or if you have high fever, confusion, and stiff muscles, to address a possible life-threatening condition. Tell your doctor about alcohol use, liver disease, and before you reduce or stop taking Cymbalta. Dizziness or fainting may occur upon standing. Side effects include
I tried to talk to my doctor, but I fainted in front of him.
You can't even stand up.
No. Everything's yellow through my yellow eyes.
Exactly.
Holy shit.
I look like a coward.
We got a pharmacist on the line. He says, I'm a pharmacist, and I think those ads are a joke.
Oh.
And I think Sean's got the one I was actually watching in the gym, because there's another drug that starts with a C. Go Sean in Florida.
Yeah.
Hey, good morning. How you doing, buddy?
Hey, man.
Hey, it's Chantix. It's that shit that you use to stop smoking. It
Chantix.
do all kinds of fucking crazy shit.
I think he's right. Can we take a look at the How do you say it?
Chantix.
Chantix.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
There
think
you
he's
go.
right. I think it was a to make you stop smoking. Can you play one of those?
Oh,
for
what
me,
the hey?
please?
Chantix.
Herb quit smoking with Chantix and support.
Nice.
Talk to your doctor about Chantix and a support plan that's right for you. Some people have had changes in
All right,
behavior,
pause.
hostility.
Holy shit.
How many seconds was it a positive message?
Wait,
9 seconds out of how many minutes?
Out of a minute and a half.
A minute and a half.
Can we see the
Start
first bit of
over.
news it gives you? What's it say that's positive?
9 seconds before they had to get into everything that could go wrong with
You
this
quit,
drug.
you quit smoking with Chantix and some support.
Cool.
That's positive.
Let's go.
Herb quit smoking with Chantix and support.
You Herb.
Talk to your doctor about Chantix and a support plan that's right for
All right,
you.
good.
Uh-oh.
Some
Uh-oh.
Not even there.
7 seconds.
Strap
Talk
in.
to no,
7 seconds.
less than that. Herb quit smoking
Right.
with Chantix
And
Right.
support.
and support means nothing to me.
Right.
So after Herb quit smoking, let's say with Chantix and support,
Yeah.
then talk to your doctor. That's part of the disclaimer.
I don't want to talk to my doctor about that.
Let's see where does it go up until Herb quit smoking with Chantix and support.
Herb quit smoking with Chantix and support. Talk to
Yeah.
3 seconds.
3 seconds. First of all, I hope Herb kills himself.
Yes.
It was for this drug because I thought the other one was bad, but I remember it being even worse. Okay, so 3 seconds out of a minute 21 was positive.
Let's hear the
Holy
rest.
All right, let's hear the rest.
Probably some good news.
Yeah.
about
Try
Chantix
to
and a
listen
support
more.
plan that's right for you. Some people have had changes in behavior, hostility, agitation, depressed mood, and suicidal thoughts or actions while taking or after stopping Chantix. If you notice agitation, hostility, depression, or changes in behavior, thinking, or mood that are not typical for you, or if you develop suicidal thoughts or actions, stop taking Chantix and call your doctor right away. Talk to your doctor about any history of depression or other mental health problems, which can get worse while taking Chantix. Some people can have allergic or serious skin reactions to Chantix, some of which can be life-threatening.
What?
If you notice swelling of face, mouth, throat, or a rash, stop taking Chantix and see your doctor right away. Tell your doctor which medicines you're taking, as they may work differently when you quit smoking. What? Chantix dosing may be different if you have kidney problems. The most common side effect is nausea. Patients also reported trouble sleeping and vivid, unusual, or strange dreams. Until you know how Chantix may affect you, use caution when driving or operating machinery. Chantix should not be taken with other quit smoking products.
Yeah. Is that it?
Is this a
The
piano
urges
solo?
look like they used to be, and that helped me quit.
Talk to your doctor to find out if prescription Chantix is right for you.
Doesn't sound like it's right for anybody.
What
craziness.
It seems like it would be healthier to keep smoking.
Just smoke, you
At
fuck.
least with smoking, you know it's going to be your lungs
Know
or
where
your
you
heart.
stand.
By the
That's
way,
it.
all those fucking symptoms are symptoms that you go through when you quit smoking. Irritability,
true.
thoughts of suicide.
Right.
Yeah, you're detoxing off a drug.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes,
So
yes,
you might
yes.
as well just fucking
That's true. Cold
quit,
turkey.
throw a patch on yourself, and hope for the
Just
best.
stop fucking
Isn't that amazing?
smoking. Yeah.
And something else I just picked up on because obviously they have to do this. There's some law I think now.
Jesus.
You hear how loud the music was? They were trying to
Oh, yeah.
bury everything that could go wrong with
Of
you.
course. It's like the car ad disclaimers on the radio. And they, 25 Yeah.
Check the side effects for Abilify.
What? Abilify?
And a lot of people saying those are the same symptoms you
Yeah.
get for quitting smoking.
Yeah, that's
I'm a
true.
sales rep for a drug company. I know why they list the side effects. Yeah, we all know.
Yeah, it's the fucking
Amanda, go ahead.
Lawyers.
Yeah, it's required by the FDA for fair balance. Like if you're going to promote a drug on TV, they want you to list everything. They need to do that.
It's Amanda.
But
Amanda
what?
Love.
It's a man, duh.
All right.
Go ahead, get it out of your system. Go ahead.
All right,
it's
we're
Alistair.
done. Kevin in Ohio. Kevin.
Hey, yeah, there's one for a testosterone jelly that the side effect cause your children to grow beards and early puberty.
Yeah, there's that one where
Really?
it's like you put it on under your armpit or something.
This Kevin? Oh,
Yeah,
Kevin Finnerty?
What's that?
Are you Kevin Finnerty?
No, Kevin in Ohio.
Oh, okay. I wasn't sure this was Kevin Finnerty.
Oh, who's that?
Oh, I'm
are you
sorry, no,
doing now?
guys.
I mixed up my briefcase with his.
Oh,
All right.
that's not me, but sorry.
I had his briefcase. I wasn't sure.
Oh.
We have a
Where'd you leave it at?
Well, I don't know. It was we must have mixed it up, and I'm being accused of like selling him a bad heating system. I'm not sure.
Right. Sopranos.
Oh, okay. No, mine was a cooling system. It wasn't a heating system.
All right,
Androgel, that's it.
All right, let's look at Androgel.
Androgel.
Millions of men who have used Androgel 1%, there's big news. Presenting Androgel 1.62%.
Oh.
Both are used to treat men with low testosterone. Androgel 1.62% is from the makers of the #1 prescribed testosterone replacement therapy.
Oh.
It raises your testosterone levels and is concentrated so you can use less gel. And with Androgel 1.62%, you can save on your monthly prescription.
Ooh.
Dosing and application sites between these products differ. Women and children should avoid contact with application sites. Discontinue Androgel and call your doctor if you see unexpected signs of early puberty in a child. Or signs of a woman which may
My 8-year-old daughter's got huge tits. What do I do, Doc?
Take more.
exposure. Men with breast cancer or who have or might have prostate cancer and women who are or may become pregnant or are breastfeeding should not use Androgel. Serious side effects include worsening of enlarged prostate, possible increased risk of prostate cancer, lower sperm count, swelling of ankles, feet, or body, enlarged or painful breasts, problems breathing during sleep, and blood clots in the legs.
What?
Tell your doctor about your medical conditions and medications, especially insulin, corticosteroids, or medicines to increase blood clot.
Talk to your doctor today about Androgel 1.62% so you can use less gel. Log on now.
Oh my God!
Wow.
I think we were better off when we weren't taking drugs.
Yeah.
The drug thing is fucking out of control. Out of control.
Got the phones lit today. Ray in Philly. Ray.
Bo, you can call me Ray.
Yo, I started that Chantix on a Thursday. I didn't take a shit until the following Friday. that was with I had to stop taking it because they said if you keep taking that, you're not going to go. We're going to have to rush you to the hospital and pump you out or something.
Wow. So they got to add that to the commercial.
8 fucking days without taking a shit. I was terrified. Damn. I've never had that happen to me.
Wow. What kind of shit did you take when it finally released?
Oh, it was great. Well, I was looking forward to one like perfect shit.
Yeah.
But if that didn't happen, it was just like 7 measly shits.
He celebrated with a cigarette. It's nice. Nice shit.
I stayed off it because I figured if I had to suffer.
Were you taking those very narrow shits?
Oh, or was it marbles?
Very narrow. Well,
marbles.
We know everything is pretty much clogged up, but there's just enough of a hole.
Oh, that's terrible.
You're shooting straws
like a
out your
Play-Doh
ass.
Fun Factory. I hate the fucking nuggets. The fucking milk duds that come out. You take a shit in the water, it's plopping in there. It sounds like that old song Popcorn.
And you walk for 20 minutes.
Just shitting fucking.
What about the one where it's a lot of work and you're like, all right, man, I want to see what I just got done. And it's like a little nugget? What the fuck is that about?
That was a lot of work.
A lot of work, no fucking result.
It's amazing how proud I am of taking a big shit. Like when I drop one that like wraps it, it's just one long tapered
Like
monster.
a python?
Yeah, I want to just call people and yell, "Look what Big Boy did! Look what Big Boy did!" I want to jump up and down and point at the fella.
Perfect double tapered shit.
Yep. A good George Brett dump.
Yes. Shit, man.
Oh God, I'm a paramedic. Let's see what this guy has to say.
Who gives a turkey?
Oh, man. And look up Klaxon. Claxon. Supposedly that commercial has 23 side effects. We're looking for the one that has the most.
Yeah.
That's the bit today, I guess. Ooh. Joe in Texas, what's up?
Klaxon.
Home of Alex Bennett, who's going to be on the show in 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Black Ops, false flag. Bloomberg's Mafia.
Go for Tonkin.
This is the last you hear of me. It was a crackhead that took me out. Yes, sir.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Good evening.
And I picked up this chick who was whacked out of her gourd on Chantix. She OD'd on Chantix, but she also had 12 nicotine patches on her.
Oh, wow.
And was smoking when we picked her up.
All right. That's a problem. See, that's not following the instructions.
No.
Yeah, Chantix.
No.
No.
All right.
Thank
you.
Sir.
Thanks for
It's
that.
hard to get Chantix. Chan's always sold out.
You got that other drug, Sam? No, huh? Yo.
Oh, God.
Sam's a fucking pecker.
Yo, Scott, you're giving us false info there, Scott.
No, I said it was the one that you were talking about, Opie, the Chantix.
Oh, I've never heard klaxon.
Well,
horn.
Sal wrote klaxon, CLAXON.
No, I said it was the one that you brought up earlier. I counted it. The commercial has 23 side effects.
23 side effects.
Yeah. I don't think there's any other ones that exist.
Yeah, and they can't put that in a 30-second spot. They need more time.
Celebrex is a bad one, too.
Celebrex.
Celebrex was the one people were taking for arthritis,
Scott.
but it was fucking killing a lot of people. But they still sell it, but they sell it with so many disclaimers.
Wow.
Play one for, Celebrex.
Wow,
Let's
man.
hear. This one is Celebrex. Yeah. You can do Kung Fu,
If
apparently.
you have arthritis pain, there's reason to celebrate. It's Celebrex.
Celebrate, celebrate.
Dance to the music.
Powerful 24-hour relief from
I got in trouble for singing
osteoarthritis, pain, and
masturbate,
stiffness.
dance to the music
Celebrex,
when I was a
the
kid.
first arthritis medicine that targets only the COX-2 enzyme.
Oh, the COX-2 enzyme?
Nice. So far, so good.
Yeah. Celebrate. Have fun.
Celebrex should not be taken if you've had aspirin-sensitive asthma or allergic reactions due to aspirin or other arthritis medicines, or certain drugs called sulfonamides. In rare cases, serious stomach problems such as bleeding can occur without warning. Tell your doctor if you have kidney or liver problems.
Celebrate, celebrate.
That's not bad.
Come on,
I don't think they're done.
Ask your doctor about Celebrex. Celebrex, the #1 selling brand of
that's not
prescription arthritis. Tell your doctor if you have kidney or liver problems.
That's not bad.
That's not bad. But it's from 2000. Maybe they
Yeah,
changed
there's
the
much.
rules.
There's one that's much worse. Yes, yes. Oh, that's before the big Celebrex scandal.
Oh, really?
Oh,
you got
yes,
a recent commercial? I want to see what the difference is.
Celebrex, how much do they cost?
Because 2000, I bet you were able to get away with some things.
Of course. Celebrex ad. No?
2 years ago.
This
11
guy-
months ago. We could try that.
All right,
It's
let's
only
try
30
that one.
seconds, so.
We'll give it a whirl. Maybe they just go, scary. Guy's running to go surfing. Oh, mom's going to surf with him.
Oh, good. Hope mom grabs her chest and falls down the dunes.
It's all in the fine
it's-
print.
Yeah, fine print. You can't.
Mom is surfing with her son. It's a
Yeah.
commercial for incest. How to make your mom want to fuck you.
Yeah. Well, suffice to say, there's a lot of disclaimers.
Well, Chantix gave this guy a rash for 9 months. You want to talk to him?
Shit. What happened there?
Let me ask.
What was he doing with it? Jesus. Oh.
Hey, buddy. How are you?
What's up, man?
Hey, yeah, that chick knows. That chick gave me a rash for 9 months, all over myself, all of my ass, my balls.
Oh,
What do you-
ass.
Awful.
What do you get?
What do you apply it with insulation?
Yeah, what?
I
Shoved it
don't
up
know
his
what
ass.
That shit does to you, but
That
it's
shit
not-
makes
it's
you
all
itch.
I don't need to talk to you.
I eat it. I eat that shit.
That
I
shit
got
for
married-
breakfast.
I got married during that. The whole time I had this whole rash all over my ass. I was down in Bermuda.
With a rashy ass.
Oh, it was awful.
Oh boy, Hendel would have had a field day with you if he saw you coming with your rash.
Stay in the room, Rashy. I will entertain your wife.
Stay away from the Chantix.
All right, thank you, Rob. And Accutane comes with a book of disclaimers, I guess.
Yeah, Accutane's crazy.
Cray. And then
Yeah.
maybe one more before we move on. It's Cody from DC. Cody.
Hey, there's a drug for, I think it's called restless leg syndrome.
Oh, yeah.
I forget what all the side effects are, but I think one of them's anal seepage.
That's a good
You
one.
should look that one up. Yeah, it's
I'd rather have my leg shake.
Yeah, you just shake your leg at night a little bit.
I think I got some of that shaky leg shit.
Oh, I shake my legs all the time in bed. I love it.
I think I shake the shit
I
out of
like
my
to
leg.
take the sheets and with my feet, and I swish them and swirl them.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I do.
Yeah.
Seinfeld.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that Seinfeld?
Yeah. That's why you have the one tuck, one no tuck. I like the no tuck because I take the sheets and swish them and swirl them.
My legs do shake.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what the? And some girl was like, what does that mean? You hokey pokey and you.
Ooh. Oh God, Jimmy! What? I don't even know what that was.
I'll tell you what that was.
Uh-huh.
A monumental bomb.
Eric will probably pull it for line of the
I'll
day.
be line of the day.
Oh yeah, I hear you're really stinking up the joint with line of the day.
Eric, do you know you got fucking called out on Twitter for fucking up the whole line of the day segment? It doesn't even resemble the actual line of the day segment that we used to have anymore. Comment?
Does anything
comment?
resemble what we used to have anymore?
Oh.
No, but the point is that
with a question.
this is not. This
Like
is
the guy at the bridge. That you got to ask a question before you can cross.
you're nurtsing around.
Well.
Didn't even address it.
Of course, why would he?
Yeah, why didn't you address it? Stop nurtsing around.
I was too busy doing the prep sheet.
Yeah, he's almost
Is the
done.
prep sheet almost done?
Fucking cocksucker.
Mirapex is a bad one. Causes impulse control disorders and hypersexuality.
Hypersexuality.
Is there a commercial for Mirapex?
What is hypersexuality?
Shano Bucko.
Is that hyper? Not hypo?
She writes hypersexuality.
All right.
Although Shannon could be a guy.
That's a girl name.
Could be a guy, could be a girl.
Fucking girl name, guys.
Let me look at the avatar.
Crazy.
Let me see.
I'd be mad.
Let me see if this-
Mirapex?
Mirapex.
Yeah, something like that.
Love that. They put out Pulp Fiction, by the way. Yeah.
This Shannon has a beautiful daughter, beautiful son.
Yeah.
Looks like a Pirates fan. Ooh. So weird what you can know about a person.
Yeah.
But checking out their Twitter. You
No.
don't have it?
I haven't seen it.
MIRAP something?
Huh?
MIRAP.
And then figure it out from there. Maybe an EX or something like that. Some shit like that. MIRAPEX, I believe.
Oh, you found it?
Ooh. Let's see if the listener helps us or hurts us today.
I say hurt.
You're going to go with hurt?
I'm going to go with hurt.
I'm going to go with help.
Oh.
Every day you count on your legs to get you where you want to go.
Nice.
But when you suffer from restless leg syndrome, your legs don't want to stop, even when you do.
Yeah.
Annoying sensations can keep you up at night when all you want to do is get some rest. Fortunately, there's Mirapex. Mirapex is a prescription medicine that helps relieve the frequency and severity of
Lieutenant
many
Dan took it?
RLS symptoms, like those
So far, so
irritating
good.
sensations and the uncontrollable urge to move.
Sounds good.
So your legs feel better and you feel better.
All right.
Prescription Mirapex may cause you to feel drowsy or fall asleep during normal activities such as driving, or to feel faint or dizzy when you stand up. Tell your doctor if you experience these problems. If you drink alcohol, are taking medicines that make you drowsy, or if you experience increased gambling, sexual, or other intense urges.
Anthony?
Other side effects include nausea. Talk to your doctor
Who's
about
slipping me
Mirapex
this
and
shit?
RLS, because when your legs feel better, you feel better.
Someone's slipping me a Mickey.
It's the Illuminati.
Yeah.
Okay.
That sounds good. Gambling and sexual urges.
It's a fun drug.
It is.
But you could like pass out doing normal activities and
Like
tell your
driving.
doctor if that happens. But what if the first time that happens is when you're driving?
To your doctor.
It could be a
How
problem.
ironic. Yeah.
But they sell a shitload of this stuff.
It's amazing how
Really
we have
is.
just become dependent on drugs.
Man, we could keep going. Everyone has their favorite
I
drug
guess
now,
if you
but
feel
we made
like
our point.
if you go to your doctor and you feel like and you don't leave with a prescription,
Then
you
you're
don't feel like
stupid.
you did anything.
Right. Right.
Like I think we're in a place here where when you go to the doctor for something, you expect to get a fucking medication.
Yep.
And if he just says, "All right, well, I'm going to need you to maybe exercise. My arm hurts, or I got a tingle, or fucking something." If he said, "Well, move it, or take a weight and lift it every day," you'd be like, "Give me a pill, motherfucker."
Right. You would go find someone else.
Or I feel like I'm unhappy. All right, how about you fucking? What are you doing with your life? How about you try? I don't know, bettering your life, yourself, your job. No, give me a fucking pill.
You know what? Dr. Steve kind of pissed me off a couple years ago.
That whiny scent.
Because I had trouble sleeping like Mr. Jim Norton here.
Yeah.
And I was talking to him about it. And I was mad when he told me, why don't you try meditating or working out later in the day? He gave me all these normal things to try.
Fuck that.
And in my brain, I was thinking, if I'm talking to a doctor, I want him to say, yeah, it looks like you need a sleeping pill. Then I would go to my doctor and get the sleeping pill.
Yeah.
But he pissed me off because he went the other way. But I tried it his way, and it does work.
Yeah, but he told
But
me
I wanted the quick fix, which would be get me on a stupid sleeping pill so I could sleep.
He gave me the same thing for clogged bowel, frequent urination. That's just what he says. Why don't you try meditating?
Meditation.
Well, I'm bleeding from the anus. We'll work out later. Yeah. Your anal seepage can be fixed by meditating. Work out later in the day so they can clean the seat before the next guy.
But it goes to your point. I got mad.
Yeah.
Because it's in your head like, okay, something's wrong with me. There's a quick fix for everything.
Yeah.
All right, time to figure out what pill I need. Because everyone else has their pill, right?
Weird. I think it's affecting our society.
Society.
To tell you the truth, my friends, and this is what Alex Jones was talking about, the suicide murder pills. You know, you get some of these side effects. You get somebody that might be on the edge but never would have done anything, and then they take these suicide murder pills, and, you know, suicide murder.
I was at CVS getting a dumb prescription the other day.
No, you weren't.
Just some stupid, silly, who gives a fuck thing. And as I was waiting, I saw the tech.
Valtrex?
Valtrex, sure. For the swamp lip.
Oh, I thought you meant for genital herpes.
Oh, no. God, no. I only got on my fucking lip.
You haven't gotten those in a long time, though, right?
No, because I got my shit together, man.
In the old days, it was
gotta
fucking
be healthy.
crazy.
You gotta like have less stress.
In the old days, I remember those things popped up all the time.
Because of the fucking stress.
It's like, oh, look, Ken Stevens is here.
Boink.
Pop, 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 pop. Oh, geez, Mel wants to meet with us. Pop, 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 pop.
Oh, God, no. Not on the genitals. No. But I saw the tech take a whole bin of bottles of pills, all waiting to be picked up and then put into a bigger bin. And I was thinking, this is only one stupid drugstore a couple blocks from my house.
Yep.
In my area alone, I said the other day, there's 5. I could count real fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6. There's 6 drugstores within walking distance of where I live. 6.
And they all
within,
have...
and I'm telling you, that's 2 blocks that way, 2 blocks that way. So within like let's call it a 3x3 block radius.
Yeah.
There's 6 fucking drugstores. And this was one tech with a bin of fucking pills waiting to be picked up.
Are you counting that little one on our
No, I'm not. I know what you're talking about already.
So it's good for old people, for kids, whatever
No,
it is.
because it's not we have Dwayne Reed's, we got CVS's, we got Rite Aid's. And I say it like that because there are multiple ones in our area alone.
Yeah, there's that one too, that little one.
Hey, when you pick up a prescription and you first walk into the drugstore and you see somebody else walking at the same time, do you do the foot race thing? Like you walk a little faster down the aisle and you like cut and you're trying to head them off so you get there first. Because I don't know what the fuck the problem is.
Because the person in front of you will
always a piece of shit.
Will always be the asshole.
Always the one that is picking up fucking some drug from outer space.
Self-checkout?
Love it.
Really?
All about self-checkout.
How do you pick up your own dope?
Not from that. You can't do self-checkout at the pharmacy.
Oh, no, I'm just talking about like you pick up.
Well, we're talking about assholes. Like self-checkout takes care of that because it's always the person in front of you at a cash register that has to take their fucking time.
Old fucking people at the prescription counter is a nightmare. How do I administer this? It's like, well, you take the pill.
Drug to this point.
But my insurance was saying that I fucking move, you bat.
They're
old
lonely.
People are burdens. Thank you.
You get annoyed at them?
And you're just standing there going, could you fucking move?
Whoa.
What's
Okay, why did this guy do this?
Oh shit!
I'm all for. I'm a big fan of the assault.
Oh my god!
I'm a big fan of the assault on the media shit.
Hilarious.
But that guy just took it way too far.
That's the best thing I've ever seen.
He just blind tackled that bitch.
No, he charged her with a football in his hand.
What? Can we find that video? It
And
should have been
knocked
on
her
the
down.
prep sheet.
Yeah.
But we're still waiting for the actual prep sheet to show up. Is Gary
okay?
I know Gary. Is he here? And
He's got to be.
He's here. I saw him in the back.
Got to be here.
I thought there was a giant roll-on deodorant until it said hello to me.
With glasses. Does he understand we're annoyed with him again today?
I don't know.
Old Mr. Peabody.
You don't
Is
give
that the
no
guy?
fuck.
Who's the guy with the baldy head on there? Is it Mr. Peabody?
I want to see this video. Oh, we got to break because we got to do some commercials before Alex Jones.
Alex!
It was a cameraman that tackled her.
That was a camera guy?
Why? Yeah.
Well, I think they were doing a spot on football, right? Because she's wearing a jersey. He's got like a football.
Oh, he was supposed to do a thing for the stand-up shot, whatever they call these dumb things, and he fucked up.
But he hit her instead of just getting
he fucked up. It wasn't some idiot.
Have a high fashion
that makes it even better.
Well, thanks for including the commercial, Sam.
Top designers at Century 21 department store. And
You're running the show.
Make it bigger.
I am?
It's your show, liars.
a fourth great.
Side effects of Red Bull. How dare you?
Well, we're going to talk a little bit more about protein because we're going to toss down to, of course, Lee Balswick. And now you're up on the rooftop. You got to show us around.
It's Minnesota Fest.
Oh, it is so beautiful. I will do that. And by the way, Jim Christensen, executive chef, is going to grill us up some salmon with red wine, oxtail sauce. He only makes that up here on the rooftop at Union Restaurant. And Johnny Michaels, mixologist, play some football up here.
All right, he's going to pass the ball to someone else.
Yeah, well, go ahead. I'm not going to get in trouble. It worked in practice.
He's going to catch and run.
The ball.
Oh, he laid her the fuck out. Wow.
That could be better than the grape fucking clip that we play forever.
God, is that
Dude,
great?
I've got to see that again.
And E-Rock, put it on our Facebook page.
Holy
Opie and Anthony
shit.
on Facebook if you haven't seen it yourself yet.
That's hilarious.
And give me the link. I got to tweet this one.
Lays her out.
Someone send me the link. I'll give you the fucking
Holy
plug.
shit. I'm okay. They cut away, didn't they?
Wait.
We are back live in downtown
she's
Minneapolis.
embarrassed.
I'm okay. But Craig, our camera guy here at the Union Restaurant, he thinks he's AP. And who's stopping him? I'm not stopping him, even though I am wearing Jared Allen's jersey. Okay, it was fun coming down here and doing this here in the restaurant.
She was a good sport about the whole fucking thing.
She wasn't.
Good for her.
Holy shit! Please, one more time.
Hilarious.
They cut away.
The fact that there was silverware on the other thing.
Plates are fucking hitting the floor.
By the way, why does the news cut away?
They cut away. She was ready to say, "I'm okay," and they had already blacked out.
Yeah,
of it.
you got to keep with
That's
it.
the news.
Yes.
They're idiots. You're the news. You have news happening right there.
When it's one of their own, they cut away.
He spins her around.
But isn't that news?
He hits like the left half of her body from the back.
Right.
She spins. It looks like she goes to grab the table a little, and shit just falls. She goes right on her head.
You know what? Play the whole clip because I want to hear the setup because they obviously want to do some. They want to fool around, play a little
full
football.
screen it, Sam.
Oh, that's so good. Yeah, full screen too.
And Minnesota Fez. You
Look
would
at it,
swear that's
Fezzy.
Fez.
It's the volume.
Oh, can you start over?
Oh, start over again.
Yeah.
I want to see Fez.
I fucked up.
Of course. Hey. It looks like Fez.
And he moves like Fez. Watch the quick movement.
We're going to toss down to, of course, Lee Balswick. And now you're up on the rooftop. You got to show us around. I haven't been there yet.
Oh, it is so beautiful. I will do that. And by the way, Jim Christensen, executive chef, is going to grill us up some salmon with red wine, oxtail sauce. He only makes that up here on the rooftop at Union Restaurant.
Oxtail sauce?
And Johnny Michaels, mixologist, play some football up here.
Yeah, it sure is nice playing under retractable
Well,
glass.
go ahead. I'm not going to get in
passes
trouble.
it to
It
another
worked in
guy.
practice.
Guys are at the end of the bar. That's fucking funny. Every single time.
The shock on the other guy's face, it was like, why the fuck did you bowl her over?
I swear to you, I could watch that easily.
That could be a movie of just that.
Dude, what did he think he was going to do?
He was trying to squeeze past her.
But he laid right into her.
I guess that's the owner. He throws just because we have to paint the picture, he throws the football to the other end of the bar, and she's still facing the camera and doesn't see him running right at her.
Oh, fantastic.
Oh, my God.
Fantastic.
I think you can hear like the cup going clink, like
yeah.
a little circle sound it makes. Coffee cup on the ground.
Yeah.
Oh, that's marvelous.
What a great clip.
One of these days, we don't have time today. We got to play one of those clips until it's not funny anymore. And I bet you it would be close to a half hour.
A month.
Well, remember hat removal in the elevator clip?
How many times?
We played that, and it got funnier and funnier.
Right.
If someone tweet that, I'll retweet you.
Oh, so good.
Yeah.
That is a great clip,
Someone
man.
tweeted me. I'm trying to find one.
And watching with the entire setup where she's doing her little fucking little voiceover
Dude, he
thing.
spins her around.
Oh, fucking.
That's like fucking Jack Tatum didn't hit Daryl Stingley as hard as.
All right, I got it. Opie Radio on Twitter.
Superfly was fucking.
Thank you to the listeners
13
for
years ago?
saying that to me. What happened?
Dude, Superfly Snuka was 13 years ago.
How do we look?
About 12 and a half
Fucking
years ago.
good, man.
How do we look, man?
Fucking hot.
Hey, is that Triple H?
Yeah. No.
Who's the guy all the way
all
to the
the way
right?
to the right.
Oh, no.
that's
Okay.
not Triple H.
Oh, I remember. He's a
Right?
local guy.
That's
I remember
fucking-
this day.
That's not even single H.
No.
He's
Who's on the
nobody.
left all the way?
I don't know. Those guys, I think, were an independent wrestling company out of Jersey.
Oh, right.
And Jimmy, what the fuck?
Superfly. Snuka.
Was wrestling for them.
Oh, look, he's got a fanny pack.
Of course. He's wrestling.
Okay.
Look at our shitty jeans. We just had shitty jeans.
I think mine were acid washed.
They're shitty.
Shitty jeans.
All right, yeah, we got the Superfly Snooker coming in about an hour, and after the break, we got Alex Jones.
God damn, that was a long
And we got that video on our Facebook page, and if you follow me, I just tweeted it, so we're all good. We're good for now.
We were in our 20s, dude.
What?
I know.
Amazing.
You were fucking older than that cocksucker.
I was pushing
shit.
30, I'll be honest. I was pushing 30.
Pushing?
in that photo,
Yeah.
All right,
You
why don't we
tweeted
take-
it?
Yeah,
Like
so
a
did
hockey
you.
star? No, I didn't.
I thought you tweeted it too.
No, I'm waiting for you.
I tweeted it. You don't follow me? You motherfucker.
Yeah, I do. It just didn't show up. That's why I'm
You don't
asking.
Follow me. I see it here.
Oh,
Go ahead, Ant.
shit.
Are you doing some now, or we have to do it?
Yeah, they take a break and then they come back and I fucking recite something so eloquently. People fucking cream in their pants and then we do other shit. Why don't we do that?